Raising human consciousness, in my opinion, is getting a greater connection to consciousness itself. So as we inquire, as we develop our ability to question, we are coming to know more in a conscious form than we could know if we were always conscious. Like if you want to taste, if you were only eating sugar and you wouldn't know what sweetness was because you didn't have a reference to anything bitter. But as soon as you experience the bitter and sour things, you know, wow, this is really sour and bitter. This is really sweet. I know now, I have an appreciation for sugar and honey and the sweetness of those things, because I've experienced the sour and the bitter aspects of the opposite. So in creation, we're exposed to a dynamic interplay of opposites, whereas reality itself is singular. We remember this. We have a conscious calling. We have our innate being within each and every one of us remembers what it's like to be singular. And why is our situation not that now? And coming to know is the journey from ignorance to